YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Please excuse the way I look right now. I've just gotten from work and I'm literally ready for bed. So today's video is the unboxing of the October Glossybox. Now, doesn't it look bougie? Oh, I cannot wait. But before I open that, it is time to let you guys know about Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside this month's box, then please keep watching. As always, if you want a Glossybox to your door, like I have every month, everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys. I do have an A-Week code as well, which I will link in the description box as well, so it directs you straight to the Glossybox website. That doesn't charge you any more, that just gives me commission for you purchasing Glossybox, if that kind of makes sense. So everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys. If you subscribe to them, there is two plans. There is a £13 a month and there is a £11.75 I think for 12 months. That's the one I'm subscribed to. You get a beautiful box delivered to your door every month, whether it's something like this or in a pink box. It comes to your door every month. You get 5 beautiful products inside, whether they're full size or not full size, and you get little testers as well. Sometimes you get little treats in there as well. So let's unbox this month's box. This is what this October box looks like. It's so beautiful. It must be something to do like the stars and star sign and stuff like that. What do they call it? Astrology, that's it. I think it's got something to do with the astrology, because look how bougie that is. The products inside are amazing, by the way, guys. As always, I've already peeked. But yeah, even the box is so bougie. So this is what it looks like. Normally it comes with like a little booklet, but now they are doing these cards. So this is the Written in the Stars box, as you can see, and it says scan me, read this month's glossy magazine for your latest products, tips and trends. So you can actually scan that as well. So you undo the beautiful ribbon and undo the packaging. I cannot wait to show you guys. There is more than one product in here that I'm absolutely in love with. First product that caught my eye when I opened the box is this. So this is the warming eye mask. You get one eye mask. It's relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. I cannot wait to try that out. I think I might even try that out tonight. So you open it, you pop it on your eyes, and apparently it's warming. It just self-warms. So I might actually give that a go tonight actually, before I pop into bed, because once I've filmed, I'm gonna pop in bed, have some chocolate, have a cup of tea, watch some Gossip Girl, and then when I'm ready for bed, I'm gonna pop on my warming eye mask. So that is gonna come in handy tonight. Now, the next product I saw, which I'm literally in love with. So this is the Bubble Tea Body Lotion Coconut. Hydrate your skin with this smooth coconut body lotion. Come on guys, if you are an OG to my channel, who even says OG anymore, but oh well, never mind. If you're an OG to my channel, you guys know that I love anything to do with coconut. Coconut is my favourite smell, favourite scent. Yes, I've already opened it to smell it. Oh, it smells amazing. See what I mean? You get like 5 full-size products inside these months' box, or inside the glossy boxes. You don't know what you're going to have inside until they arrive. And when I opened it and I saw this, I was so excited, because not only is it bubble tea, because bubble tea is a beautiful brand that does lovely hand lotions and scrubs and everything else that me and my other half love, but they also do coconut scents, which I'm literally over the moon with, and I cannot wait to pop that all over me. Oh, I cannot wait. So the next product we have is a Christopher Robin, what's this, like hydrating melting mask with aloe vera, hydrating hair, shiny and plumping lengths. Now, I've never used anything to do with Christopher Robin's products before, but I will be happy to give it a go. Let's have a smell, shall we? Oh, that actually does smell quite nice. I can't describe what the smell is, but it actually does smell quite nice. So if anyone has actually used the Christopher Robin product before, please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, because yeah, I do want to actually give these a go. It does actually smell quite nice. So yeah, please let a girl know. Then the next product I have is a Steve Laurent. Now, it's in the shade Orchid. When I saw this, I thought, what on earth is this? Is it a lipstick? Is it a lip gloss? And I was completely wrong altogether, because it's a lip oil. Now, I don't know about you guys, but isn't this giving me iconic London vibes? It's probably just me, but it's giving me iconic London vibes with like the gold lid. I don't know, it's probably just me, but that's what I think, and I think it's so beautiful. This is a Steve Laurent lip oil, and this is in the shade Orchid. Now, let me... Oh, now that smells... Smells quite nice. I don't normally use lip oil because very, what's the word, sticky. That's what I was trying to look for. But the product, look at it, it's just, I don't know, it's probably just me, but it's giving me iconic London vibes. And yeah, I cannot wait to actually properly try that out. Two more products to show you guys. This is BB. I'm sorry if I've said that wrong, but this is an plump eye cream. Now, this is called an overnight eye cream, and I'm gonna need a hell of a lot of this. Literally a hell of a lot. This is probably gonna go within a week, maybe less than that really. I do have a couple of eye products to use, but yeah, I'm gonna give this a go because I've never even heard of the brand. That's good about these boxes as well. Some brands you do know, some brands you don't. And last but no means least, we have this. It actually rattles. So this is called Percy and Reed London Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Now, I do have another dry shampoo that I've actually been using. I want to give this a smell, so... Oh. Do you know what? I've got a few of these products in my drawers and I've never actually smelled any of them. Now I've just smelled it. It smells actually vile. If anyone has actually tried this, and I do apologise, but it absolutely does stink, and I'm 100% honest with you guys. Yeah, this is a no from me. I don't like it whatsoever, but yeah. But other than that, I do love most of these products for this month's box. It's just that one product, it just absolutely stinks for me, and I don't like it. Sorry of the way I'm ending this video. I completely forgot to do an ending. There was so many storage that I needed to delete off my phone to record at the ending, but yeah. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I load. Everything you need to know about the Glossybox is in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.